I'm Cathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Today, I would like to share on how to label your soaps, and I'll also share mysoapcalc.com's free soap label template. Before we start, I would like to thank you for joining me again this week. If you are new here in my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon for a weekly soap making tips and tricks, DIY tutorials, or recipe sharing from me. Soap making is my passion, so I would really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we could learn and grow together. So, let's get started. Last week, I shared with you on how to make a quick recipe using mysoapcalc's soap-like calculator. In the generated printout, we have the inky names of the ingredients arranged from highest to lowest ingredients order. First, let us quickly look on the FDA requirements for soaps. True soaps are not regulated by FDA. Instead, we need to look further on the Consumer Product Safety Commission requirements. But it doesn't mean that we can get away on properly labeling our soaps because soaps can be classified as true soaps, cosmetics, drugs, or both. Means it is a cosmetic and drug at the same time. When it falls into this category, we need to follow proper cosmetics and drugs labeling requirement. Here is our label. You can add your logo or company name, then the word soap to identify what it is. Below it, we have the net weight in avoirdupois ounce, and I've added the gram conversion because like me, some people are used to metric units. Next, we have the name and place of the business. You can shorten the address if you prefer not to put your street address, provided your address is currently listed in the phone directory or city directory. If you are distributing the soaps and not the main manufacturer, you also need to add that information in the details. Then we need to add the direction for safe use and any material facts to avoid misleading the end user and misbranding our soaps. We also need to add the warning and caution statements. Here we have our ingredients list arranged in highest to lowest. Then, I've added this mini box here so you can write whatever extra info you'd like to share, but avoid making any claims in your product labels. Here, I just wrote handmade in small batches and that's it. So, I created this template in a Word file so you can easily edit that. And this is the first free soap label in the website, and it's a spring theme label. For today, let us just say that we have a true soap, but we would like to add as much information as we can into our label to help our end users. Materials needed would be, we need to have our soap label template, scissors, and glue or double-sided tape. Here is the template. We can have 3 labels in 1 letter size cardstock. I just printed this in A4 bond paper just to show you on how to do it. So we just need to cut this. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description box below so you can easily download and edit a file using MS Word. All my soap sisters, couple brothers, and registered site users can download it for free. Once we finish cutting the label, we can then glue it, and that's it. For the question of the week, do you label your soaps, and what are the information that you have added in your soap label? Let me know by writing it down in the comment section below.
Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed what I shared, please leave a like and a comment below. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep you posted of my weekly uploads. Until next time, bye-bye and happy birthday to those who will be celebrating their birthdays this month. God bless!